Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. Just a quick video for you today. One question I've had about the GoPro Volta is if it's compatible with the Hero 8. And the simple answer is yes, it is. Now the way you pair it and some of the functionality is a little bit different, and that's what we're going to go over in this video. Now I have already done a full overview video of this new accessory from GoPro, and just a quick recap here. Basically it is a power bank handle that's going to extend the life of the battery of your GoPro. We have controls built right into the handle so you can easily stop and start recording, change modes. It has a built-in tripod so you can set it down to shoot a time lapse or whatever you need to film, and it's got a couple different mounting options. As you can see there, we have a finger mount built into the side of it, and we also have a 1/4-20 at the bottom. When you purchase the package, it also comes with a wrist strap. Now, even though the GoPro website only lists this as compatible with the Hero 9 and Hero 10, that is for full compatibility. But in reality, this will work with the Hero 8. Now, when it comes to just the power bank capabilities, basically this functions like any other power bank. So in theory, you can actually use this with any device that can be powered from USB-C. For example, as you can see here, I have the DJI Action 2 mounted on it, and as you can see there, the handle is keeping it charged. This handle will feed power to it just like any traditional power bank. The only difference is you're not going to be able to make use of the remote capabilities. Now going back to the Hero 8, you can use it in conjunction with the Media Mod or just by itself. If you are going to be using it just by itself, I would highly recommend picking up one of those third-party doors that has that USB-C cutout. As you can see there, that still allows access to the USB-C port, but it's still going to hold the battery firmly in place and protect the memory card slot. It attaches to the hand grip just like any other accessory, just with those finger mounts, and then all you have to do is plug it in. And as you can see there, once we've plugged it in, it's now feeding power to the camera. Just keep in mind that this unit is not waterproof. It's being labeled as weatherproof, so it can take a little bit of moisture if you get caught in some rain or something, but definitely you cannot go underwater with this unit. Now, unlike the Hero 9 and 10, when you plug in the Volta right to the GoPro, it's going to automatically pair it. There's no other setup that you need to do. But with the Hero 8 Black, there is one extra step. We have to manually pair the GoPro to the handle. So let's go ahead and we'll do that now. And it's also important to mention at this point, make sure you're running the latest firmware for your Hero 8 Black. So to pair the handle, what we're going to do is slide down from the top. We're then going to click on Preferences, and then we're going to go to Connections. From there, we're going to click on Connect Device, and then we're just going to select Remote. And then it's going to ask us to put the remote into pairing mode. On the GoPro Volta, you can see we have that Bluetooth icon there. What we're going to do is press and hold that for 4 seconds. You can see we got a little blue light there, and it's now paired. Now, just like the Hero 9 and 10 Black, we can change our modes. And we can stop and start recording. Now, the biggest difference here using it with the Hero 8 compared to the Hero 9 or Hero 10, we can't make use of some of those smart features at the top. For example, on the Hero 10, a little LED light will show up to show us what mode we're in, but on the Hero 8, it doesn't do that. The other thing it will do is on the Hero 9 or 10, when we start recording, a little red light will appear signifying that we're recording under whatever mode we're in, which isn't a big deal when your camera is attached to the handle because of course you can hear it and you can see that it's recording. The only time that would really become an issue is if you're using the remote away from the camera, because you can actually take the camera off, mount it somewhere else, and use this just like a traditional remote. So that's the only difference, is that you don't really see what mode you're in and you can't tell if you're recording. But just like the Hero 9 and 10, we can power the GoPro off just by pressing and holding the power button there. And we can even power it on. And as you can see here, we have it completely disconnected, but we can still go ahead and use it like a remote. We can power it on, as you can see there, and we can stop and start recording. Well folks, that's basically it for this video. Just a quick demonstration of the GoPro Volta with the Hero 8 Black. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.